Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Verify your XM account and fund it. This gives you live copying capability. Once done, enable two-factor authentication for security and navigate directly to the copy trading area in the platform. Next, scan available strategy providers. Filter by return, drawdown, and trade history to narrow choices. You should prioritize providers with consistent monthly performance and acceptable maximum drawdown, because that balance defines long-term survivability and risk for your capital. You now pick a provider and configure copying. First, compare stats, average monthly return versus max drawdown and recent trade cadence to understand behavior. Then set your copy allocation, either a fixed dollar amount or a proportional percent of your balance. Proportion adapts to growth, fixed preserves capital. Make sure to set a copy stop loss and take profit to control downside and limit maximum concurrent trades to avoid overexposure. Once configured, start with a small allocation to test in live conditions. Finish by actively monitoring your copy account. You should check daily early on and review results monthly. If performance deteriorates, pause copying immediately and inspect the provider's recent trades and any market events that might explain losses. Make adjustments, reduce allocation, change stop settings, or switch to a different provider with better risk metrics. If problems persist, withdraw funds to protect capital. One troubleshooting tip: if trades replicate erratically, disconnect and contact XM.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.